Today, almost 0.4 million people died. 6.2 million people are suffering. Trillions of dollars are spent because of a single coronavirus, and yet the result is unsatisfactory. It is because people look for the cure, not for the prevention. True prevention is not waiting for bad things to happen, it's preventing things from happening in the first place. Therefore, we focus on prevention. NanoEl Antimicrobial Coating Disinfection Solution. It is innovative, durable, disinfectant. Types of surfaces for NanoEl disinfection. Number 1. Non-absorbent surface. NanoEl AB Pro Set. It has 5,000 to 40,000 cleaning resistance. For glass and ceramic, 40,000 can reach up to 40,000 cycles. Metal can reach up to 20,000 cycles. Plastic can reach up to 5,000 cycles. Number 2. Absorbent surface. NanoEl AB Textile. It has 10 washed maximum resistance. It can be used on woven fabrics, non-woven fabrics, natural and synthetic fabrics, leather, artificial leather, quilts and many more. Disinfection coating eliminates harmful microbials such as viruses, bacteria, and fungi when it comes into contact with the coated surface. Prevents growth of pathogens that causes diseases such as E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, Salmonella, influenza virus, fungi, and harmful bacteria. Long-lasting disinfection effect, no frequent sterilization required. Lowers risk of viral exposure in between disinfection treatment. Super durable coating surface. Up to 40,000 cycles of cleaning resistance, varies with contact volume and types of surfaces. We provide the disinfectant services at offices, restaurants, buses, cars, and so on. It has a very lower disinfection gap, which lowers the danger of infection. It has been tested on all types of microbials, like coronavirus, bacteria, fungi, yeast, algae. It is a completely certified product by dermatological test on humans, by CBA, by KIEL, by Eurovir, which makes it completely reliable in the war against COVID-19.
Nanotech Cleaning. Quality services on time, every time. Email us at inquiry@nanotech.com.sg or visit our website www.nanotech.com.sg.